almost didn't take the trip. I couldn't really justify it. There's always a reason not to go. Time, money, responsibility. Look, I don't believe in heaven or hell. I believe in experience. There's a line in the movie Angels and Demons where Tom Hanks' character is asked if he believes in God. He says, "Faith is a gift I have yet to receive." I like the answer. I like that answer. It's honest, it's respectful, it's not pretending. And it got me thinking. What if the only purpose in life is that we actually participate in it, and that the more we do, the more we live? What if just being here and recognizing the breadth of life is enough? The odds of any of us existing is almost zero. And somehow, hey, here we are. We're alive, we're aware, we're moving through the world. It's like winning the cosmic lottery. And I can't imagine winning and not spending the dough. Look, experience is the currency of life. Not achievements, not status, not things. Not the life you're told you're supposed to build. Just this. Seeing, feeling, being, and taking part. So my goal is simple: to see as much of this world as I can while I'm still here. And I found the best way to do that is on a motorcycle. Not because it's fast, not because it's easy, or hard, or even fun. But because it puts you in it. Smack fucking dab in it. No barrier, no separation, just you and all of whatever the world decides to give you that day. And if you're waiting for a reason to go, don't. The purpose will define itself. I promise. This is the GoodRide Project. Let's take a trip together.